Hi friends, today we are going to solve permuting two arrays problem from the greedy algorithm part. The given problem states that there are n element array of an integer a and b, permute them into sum a dash and b dash such that the relation of any of a or of I means any index of a of I plus b of I should be greater than k holds for all I, where basically I should be greater than 0 and I should be less than n. There could be n queries containing a, b and k. For each query, return yes if some permutation of a and b satisfies the relation exists, otherwise return no. The basic problem statement is not proper, but what we have to do is basically we have to permute all the values of a and b in such an order that, for example, the length of a is, say for example, a equal to 5 and both of a and b would be same. So basically after adding any index of a of I and b of I, it does not matter because it could be 1 and b could be 2, does not matter. It should be greater than equal to k, and we have to find this condition 5 times and for different values. For example, if a1 has been used, it cannot be reused again to form this combination, so you have to take care of it. So if you look at some examples, let's find an easier example. Yeah, I guess take this example. So here you have to make sure that we are finding proper indexing. So a of I, let's say a of 1 plus b of 1, it value would be 2 plus 7, and just for a moment, the k value is 10, k equal to 10. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, which is less than 10, so condition is not satisfied. Then we could check it for 2, and in that case we'll be finding 2 plus 8, which is greater than or equal to 10, so condition is satisfied. Then we have to go for another instances. For example, a of 2 plus, let's take b of 3, and we will get 1 plus 9, which would be 12, so our condition is again satisfied. And then a of 3 plus b of 1 would be getting a value of 3 plus 7, which would be greater than equal to 10. So our condition is satisfied. So basically you have to find 3 instances of conditions being satisfied. So basically you have to make sure that the total number of conditions being satisfied is equal to the length of the array. So here we can do one thing. We can sort our elements. So if we sort our elements, let's look at it. If we sort our element of A, then the value would become 1, 2, and 3. And similarly, if we sort our element of B in reverse order, then our value would become 9 plus 8 plus 7. And when you're adding these terms, our value would be 10, 10, and 12. Thus, we are maximizing our chances of satisfying the condition by using a greedy approach. So this is the basic idea. So as I have already told you, we will first sort the values of A. Be equal to sorted B. Reason for it is basically here for B we have sorted it in reverse order, means we have sorted it in descending order. We could also reverse it. We could sort B in ascending order and sort A in descending order. It does not matter. So we will be maximizing our chances. We could write count equal to 0. For I in range 0, length of A. It could be anything because both of the length of A and B are the same. If A of I plus B of I is greater than equal to K, if count greater than equal to length of A, return yes, else no. So this is a basic program. So what you are doing is that you are checking or you could do in this manner also. It's less than K. Let's check this one. If any of the instances is less than K, basically you have to return no, and else it would be yes. Let's run the code. I hope it works. As you could see, it passed all the public test cases successfully. Let's submit the code. As you could see, all the test cases has been successfully submitted. So that's the code, guys. And as always, if you find any better approach of solving the same problem, or if you feel that there is some way I could improve my explanation, maybe writing in some whiteboard, probably, just comment below so that I could improve it from the next time. And if you have any better approach, please comment below. Share me your knowledge. If possible, want to contribute in this process of trying to become a little bit better programmer than the average people, then try to join here, try to solve HackerRank problem as I always do. Uh, at least one problem per day. It means we know we have work. I work in the IT industry and there are some pressures, but still I find at least 1 hour in my daily schedule to work or to practice problem solving, because I know this is going to be only way for me, at least right now, to get even a better job to perform better, or at least show my skills, apart from doing many other courses or certification. Maybe in the upcoming videos, I will also share my knowledge with you, how to apply for certification, how to prepare for Coursera courses, how to apply for tuition fee waivers, something like that. So, as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned and have a nice day.